Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do my study desk tour. So here is my study table. Let's get started. So let me open it. So basically you can close it when not needed. So here comes my DIY pencil stand. So here are some sketch pens, then glitter pens, then Fevicol, Fevistick, then some markers, some colorful pens, then scissors, paper cutters, etc. So here are some beautiful quotes written. You can have a glance. So if you're also interested in learning to how to write these beautifully, then you can mail us. The link is given in the description box. So here comes my pencil color stand. All my pencil colors are kept over here. And this is a brush pen stand. So some brush pens are kept over here. So here is my notepad. I write some random stuffs over here, basically to-do list and some rough calculations. So this is a dictionary. Then I keep some pencils, compass, scale and other necessary things in this box. And then this is a chalk box. So chalks are there. Then this is a DIY duster. So here are some other essential items. This is a sellotape cutter. Then in this, let's check what do we have. So here are some thermocol pins. Then this is a measuring tape. I don't know why I kept it over here. So this extra tape. Over here I have some paper clips. Then this is another box. I have some board pens over here. So in this box I have some stapler pins, then some cartridges and all such stuffs. So now let's move to the top section. So this is a bulb for some extra light, and in this twisted box I have some extra pencils and not used glitter pens and so on. These are some extra sharpeners, erasers. In the next one I have some markers and duster. So basically this is an ice cream box, but let's see what do we have over here. Oh, so this is my dustbin. Some snack wrappers are there and pencil sharpenings. So now this is my bulletin board. I just pin up some important things over here. And then this is my sister's bulletin board and my sister's diagram, plant cell diagram, to remember important things. So tell us in the comment section, whose do you think is better? So now let's move to the bottom section. So in this section I keep all my books. So this one is my sister's and this one is mine. I just congested everything over here. I just wanted everything within the reach of my hands. Maybe I'm too lazy. So these are some school books and this is a file in which I keep some important things. So basically this file acts as a segregator between my school books and rough copies. So this was all for today, and if you enjoyed this video then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.